Hello and welcome. This is a vehicle management system project that I will created long back ago, and this is the interface that I created entirely created by myself. And this overview, the active, the inactive, the workshop. These are the status of the vehicles: total managers, total drivers, total vehicles. Another pie chart. There is a missing. Maybe the client didn't purchased the premium subscription. That was okay. And the history, here is the history of one of 11977 pages. So we can just do some work in this. The index is changing, the everything is here. We go to the last page. Here we are. We are on the last page, so we don't have anything. This is the history. Actually, this is the actually assigning vehicles to different drivers. Okay, and here is the managers tab of view managers. These are the different managers. We have the edit, the delete functionality, and we can invite the managers from here. This is the design, like for the and the drivers. Uh, View drivers, upload data. This asking for SV. Here is a sample one. So we are providing the sample to the user to upload the driver if you have like this one. You want create drivers. This is a complete schedule of the driver. Driver name, the driver email, qualification or licenses. These are the comma separated values, like same as comma separated values are here. When you upload these ones, I was like using backend workflows to handle these ones. These are the two different values. On Sunday, from to from. On Monday, from to from. On Tuesday, and same. Okay, and let's go save. Okay, sort by A to Z and Z to A. Okay, perfect. Good to me. These are the different qualifications. This one we can add that one. These are the different slots we can add. Oh, well, okay, no problem. So, one of 12 hours. These are different slots. And okay, 1 hour. If I add from 2 to 6, it might be 4 hours. So 4 of 12 maybe. No. Okay, perfect. So we can't do any operations. Okay, and add the driver. Total driving hours is total 63 hours. Total driving hours in a week is 63. Okay, here is the vehicle information. The vehicle. Wow. This is the active, the workshop, the inactive, sort assignment. This is the assignment. Okay, sort by view assign. This is the assign one. This is the roster. Okay. Roster for vehicle name and of everything. Driver name, the slots 12, 13, 14, and 18 of weekly roster. This is actually for all the vehicles. We can download that to a PDF. So there's a weekly roster. PDF Conjurer is used. History can like user can generate any PDF of any size from start date to end date. Let's say first to 13. No data is there. Go back, make it 23. This one, like, a lot of data in here. All the data in this one. 24 here. Everything is here. Okay. If I go into edit profile, we have these settings, the name, email, update info. This is the auto assignment operation. Have you assigned at least one slot to a driver that starts currently day? Monday is current or and now what is that one now? Okay, and log out here. If I go into the backend workflows, these are the backend workflows, the auto assigning process, like for Monday, Tuesday, a lot of stuff had been happening in the backend. The iterations, the driver creation. Where is the driver creation? Uploaded drivers, vehicle, qualification settings, all qualification filter by and unassign, like unassignment, and some unassignment stuff here. And here are the workflows. And if I go on to the authentication page, yeah, it's very simple. Very simple authentication. Get a new password for resetting the password and sending the user to reset password. No, showing a pop-up. This we have, yeah. Here I have the pop-up, beautiful, and group, then the icon with the group, then the input field. Okay, yeah, perfect. And go on to the, we have just this one. Let's go on to the managers page. Let's wait for this one to load. Okay, maybe the manager page is same, but with some, yeah, actually the manager page, everything is the same, nothing more. So, okay, what is the in these pages? This is the 404. We didn't touch that part. Perfect. Construction. We can't access this page. Onboarding in progress. Okay. That's okay. Yeah, the main thing, the styles. Okay, nothing is there. So we have only these few styles. Rest are okay. That's it. This is all for management system. Here we go.